Here's our development process for one-to-many. In the first step, we're going to do our prep work of defining the database tables. Then in step 2, we'll create the course. Next, we'll update the instructor class. And finally, in step 4, we'll create a main application to pull it all together. Let's go ahead and move into MySQL Workbench. We'll cover step 1 of prep work, defining database tables. And what we'll do is we'll actually open this SQL script that we'll run for this given video. We're going to make use of the directory hb03 one-to-many. There's a file there called createdb.sql. So go ahead and open that file. So in this video, we're going to create this schema called hb03 one-to-many. And pretty much everything else in this script is very similar. So the instructor detail table is the same. The instructor table is the same. The only thing that's new here is creating this course table. So our course can have the ID, a title, and the instructor ID that can help us out with this one-to-many, many-to-one relationship. And the primary key for this table is ID. And we also add that entry there for the unique key on the title. This will actually prevent duplicate course titles like we discussed in the previous video. And then we go through and we set up our foreign key. So here our foreign key instructor ID, that's the column in this table. It's going to reference the ID in the instructor table. So that's our foreign key relationship that we've set up here. All right, so let's go ahead and execute the script. There's a little yellow lightning bolt there on your toolbar. Go ahead and click that yellow lightning bolt. And we'll see some output here at the bottom. Green is good, yellow's okay. As long as you don't have any red, you're A-okay. And then move over here to the left-hand side, just do a refresh all to get the latest schema in the list. So there we go. So we have this hb03 one-to-many. That's the new schema that was just created by this script. I'll set it up as the default schema. And then I'll go take a look at the tables. So, oh yeah, there's our new course table that we just created. So we can go look at the columns. So this course table has 3 columns, the ID, the title, and the instructor ID. And we have the associated keys set up and so on. So we're in pretty good shape here with our course table. Now, since this is a new schema, all the data's empty. So the course table is empty. I did a quick query on that one. Also, our instructor table is empty. So there's no data here. We're kind of starting from scratch, which is actually pretty cool. Alrighty, so one last thing I want to do is actually generate the database diagrams, just so we can see the relationship between all of the tables. So just go up to the database menu and then choose reverse engineer. And it'll ask us for our connection. You can go ahead and choose whatever connection you have. I'll use my local HB student. I'll click on continue. It'll do some stuff. I'll click on continue one more time. It'll ask me which schemas to reverse engineer. I want to reverse engineer the hb03 one-to-many. So check the box for that one there. And I'll click on continue here. I'll do continue one more time. And then we'll, in the top left, make sure we have the box checked to import the MySQL objects. And in the bottom left, place the imported objects on a diagram. Oh yeah. Hit on execute and continue. And close. Enough clicks there, huh? Alrighty, so anyway, we have our diagram finally. So we have our instructor table, we have the instructor detail from the previous videos, and there's our new course table. And we have this relationship set up. So we have an instructor that can have many courses, and the course can map back to the given instructor. So we're in good shape as far as our database setup, our prep work. In the following videos, we'll dive in, we'll start writing some Hibernate code to make use of these new tables. So I am excited, and I'm going to see you around the way in the next video. So I'll see you there.